welcome back to the show, our dear friend and tech expert, Burton Kelso. We're so excited to see you again.
I'm happy to be here. How are you doing, Courtney?
Doing okay. As we're all doing our best to protect ourselves physically from COVID-19, there are some folks out there trying to take advantage of us in other ways through scams. So what do we do to protect ourselves that way?
Well, the challenge is any time there's a crisis, whether national or global, cyber criminals always take advantage of the opportunity, and COVID-19 is no exception. So cyber criminals are trying to reuse old scams and make them fit with COVID-19 to prey on people's fears and worries as far as this pandemic is concerned. So the number one thing people need to remember with scams is they all require user interaction.
Are there particular scams that we should keep our eyes out for?
There's 4 that we can talk about. So the first one is the Sextortion Scheme. Now this works when you get an email with your password in the subject saying that a criminal has watched you watching porn on the internet. And on top of that, they claim they can track your location and infect your loved ones with the COVID-19 virus.
Oh my goodness.
If you recognize the password that's being used, you want to make sure that you change that password for all of your online accounts so that hackers can't log into your online accounts.
Are there other scams? That one's pretty scary.
It is. The next scam is your charity scams. Now, in any crisis, there's going to be nonprofits and individuals that are asking for relief money. So anytime you see a message come across or even a post on social media for someone asking for money, you want to make sure that you do a background check to make sure it's a legitimate source before you donate money. Because it's easy for people to set up GoFundMes, to make a post on social media. So always check your sources before you donate any type of money any money to any organization.
All right, what's the third one? This is getting heavy.
I know it is. So shopping scams you really need to watch out for. So if people are trying to sell like masks or any type of COVID-19 items, you want to beware and make sure that you check the vendor before you buy from them. Because fake vendors set up shop on eBay and on Amazon, and they're always trying to trick people in order to get their credit card information and their money. So before you buy, investigate and make sure it's a legitimate source.
Okay, so run the name of the business through Google or something like that.
That's correct. Our last scam is the app scam. So you want to read the reviews for any app that you download that says that it's going to protect you from COVID-19. These apps, if you download them, can infect and destroy your devices. So beware and be cautious before you download anything.
Burton, thank you for helping us stay safe technologically through all of this. We really appreciate the help.
Oh, no problem. My pleasure.